Alright, we're going to try this video again, and hopefully my phone will not die this time. There's my truck, nice and shiny in the sun, and I don't remember what I was going to say last night. Truck, awesomeness. I love my truck. I'd like to have bigger tires, but still love my truck. Oop, it's locked. Probably should unlock it. It is kind of messy right now, and I just got groceries. So here's my truck. There's my steering wheel. There's the dash. I'm always armor all in it and coolness. My radio. Let's see if I can start her up a minute. Nothing's gonna beep because my door is open. My air freshener. Guess I can give you the rest of the tour while the thing's starting up. My groceries. Chase's seat. A Joseph seat. The messy floor. And my Mission Impossible theme. The third row seat is back there. It is folded down. And this awesome nav system here. Watch this. Hold on, I gotta wait for the voice recognition startup. At least you get to listen to some cool music while you're waiting, huh? It's got taking forever because I want it to not. Find an address.
Say the city you want in Colorado or say change state.
Change state.
What state would you like?
South Carolina.
What city in South Carolina?
New Zion. New Zion. I forget to wait for the beep sometimes.
Sorry, I missed that.
New Zion.
Say the list number of the item you want. Number 1. New Zion. Number 2. Dewey's Island. Or, say none of these.
Number 1. I don't remember your address.
What street would you like in New Zion?
Should have brought the paper. Oakdale. Look at that, it actually found it. Cuculates. There we go. Right, I am 1,675 miles from where you are. Crazy long. Alright, I guess that's about it. There's my pretty little bookmark that's serving as a dash marker. My fish. And let's see. Hey, there's me. Love you, bye.